Hey y'all, today we're outside SLE Equipment looking at the Husqvarna Z454 with a 22 horsepower Kawasaki motor on it. All right, so this Husqvarna's got a 54-inch 10-gauge steel fabricated cutting deck with greaseable aluminum spindles. It has a 13-position cutting height adjustment controlled by your foot pedal. It goes from 1.5 inches up to 4.5 inches. This mower also has a removable floor pan for easy access and cleaning. Just remove right here, unscrew, comes off so you can get to your belts for maintenance and cleaning purposes. It's got the rollover protection system that folds. It has a 6-gallon fuel tank. Also, we have the 22 horsepower Kawasaki FS Series. It's a V-Twin engine. You've got the Parker HTE transmission in this one. All right, y'all, it's James again outside SLE Equipment here in Antioch, Tennessee. We're looking at the Husqvarna Z454 today. We do got fleet deals and pricing on these with packages, all the handhelds to go with them, trailers to put them on. Y'all come down here and see us today or give us a call at 615-641-7720.